This is a video tutorial on how to submit your assignments using the download Word version when the Microsoft Word document has locked versions or has locked aspects to it. So this particular assignment has parts of the Microsoft Word file that is locked, where you can't edit parts of the document. So if I click on the edit right here, because I'm in the online version of it, it will not allow me to. When I click on it, it'll tell you this document has been locked. It has parts that are protected. So you can only open it in reading view, which is this view right here online. The only way that you can edit this document is to download it. So you have to click download. If you're not able to download, that means you're probably on a Mac or an iPad or a Chromebook that does not have Microsoft Word desktop application loaded onto your device, and you will not be able to complete this document using Microsoft Word, and you will have to find another way to edit your document. If you do have the ability to open up Microsoft Word by downloading, like I just did, it will download the document and you will be able to open it. It just downloaded in a little box down here. I opened it. I am able to click on Enable Editing. And now you can see there are boxes on the document. Those boxes are where I'm going to actually add my information. This is the part of the document I need to edit. So I'm only filling out where there are the boxes on this document. That's the part of the document I'm editing. Once I have completed all of the little boxes on here, I will have found what my BMI is. That's the point of the document, just to find the BMI. Once I have finished this, I need to come up here to File and do a File Save As. Preferably, you're going to save it in your OneDrive so it lives in the cloud, or you can save it to your desktop, but make sure you're saving it somewhere where you have access. Preferably, it's in your OneDrive, and you can link it to your Canvas, or if it's easier, make sure you save it to your PC desktop. If you're going to save it to your desktop, click on this up arrow and then click desktop, and then you can give it a name. So I'm going to name it what it is. I'm going to make sure that's what it's saved as. I've already saved it on my desktop before. And then once you've saved it, you can close it out, go back to your Canvas assignment, click Start Assignment, and then down here you can go ahead and hit Upload File, and you can go to Choose File, and then you would go to your desktop, and then you'd find your assignment that you just saved on your desktop, hit Open. Once it's showing up there, you can hit Submit Assignment, and then that would be it. If you did save it into your Office 365 cloud, which is what I recommended, you would click here, Office 365. It would open up your Office 365 account, and you would navigate to it just like you do with your Google Drive. And then that's it. And then you'd hit Submit there. And that's how you would save your assignment using a Microsoft Word document that has parts of the document that are protected. This is different than just if it was just a regular Word document. Again, if you're using a Mac, an iPad, a Chromebook, or any device that does not have Microsoft Word application, you will have to find another way to complete and fill in those boxes without using the Microsoft Word desktop application. Once you've done that, you can save it anywhere in a Google Drive or your Microsoft Office 365, and or download it as a PDF, and you can upload it and still submit it as a link or as a file upload and submit it. It just needs to be submitted in Canvas. Thanks for watching.